Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Hey, bafethu. Minjani? Nifukile? Mina nifukile. Vandaag ngifuna ukukhuluma isiZulu because ngifuna wonke lamazulu ase-KZN. Wonke umuntu olandela uphakela umthakathi noJacinta nobanibani bangizwe kahle. I want them to hear me very well. Because angithi mina I'm not tribalistic or xenophobic. I know how to speak all 11 official languages like South Africa. Because Tina Amatsonga, we pride ourselves with being welcoming to other tribes. So even when we live with them, we know how to become them. Do you understand? So namhlanje ngifuna ukukhuluma ngoNkosi Khona Phakela Umthakathi, the most xenophobic person in South Africa, Afrophobic person in South Africa. Because angithi uthe yena ngomhla kaJune nge-30 wonke umuntu ukuthi kwerekwere la South Africa kumele ahambe abuyele kubo, because as ama South Africans sifuna ukulungisa ilizwe lethu and then bazobuya kahle wonke umuntu, whether documented or undocumented. That's what he said. So now usisi ubani lo ubekezela Dube Bheki, I think it's a nickname. She owns a casting agency. La ukuthi mawufuna ukuyo actor kuphi uyahamba lapha baya audition abayenza ama story in la South Africa. So usisi unemali, I'm sure unemali, uhlala khona la eJozi somewhere, I'm sure, mara nase KZN kusho ukuthi uyaya manje because uposted a picture le Mthakathi. And then when I went through a page, because mina, as I said, I'm the government, you cannot hide from me, I know everything. When I went through a page and I told you the picture we posted, why delete? I'm telling you, delete the picture because you will mess up things for me. So, but Dallas, I told a picture because we are the government. You can't hide anything from us. So usisi ubekezela Dube, she's from Zimbabwe, Ikwerekwere. She was born in Matopo village, in Zimbabwe. Like she's Zimbabwean, Ikwerekwere. So mina ngifuna ukunderstand la ukuthi wonke umuntu olandela uphakela umthakathi. Do you guys know ukuthi umthakathi ukhwelana bathi nekwerekwere each and every day? Nina mani loko nimlandela ngemuva every day nithi nixosha amakwerekwere mahambe. Do you know ukuthi yena makabuyela endlini uyolala nekwerekwere abhebhe ikwerekwere? Niyayazi le ndaba leyo ukuthi yena makabuyela endlini uyobhebhe ikwerekwere ebusuku. Nina nibhizi lapho nibhebha la mantombazana la eSouth Africa yokuthi awasakwazi ukurespect indoda, ukuhlonipha indoda. They've lost the culture. Niyabona mara ukuthi lo muntu lo, he does not love South Africans, ukuthi South Africa akayithandi at all. He's telling us one thing and he turns around yena and he does another thing, because uthi yena kumele siwaqoshe labantu bahambe bonke. So kusho ukuthi na le korekore lakhe kumele lihambe, because angithi uthe if umuntu ujola nekwerekwere, if le kwerekwere liyahamba kumele ukuthi wena ojola nalo nawo uhambe na. So kusho ukuthi naye uphakela umthakathi must fuck off nge-30 ahambe nale kwerekwere lakhe bayeZimbabwe. He must fuck off and leave us South Africans ukuthi sihlale la eSouth Africa, because ayikho le ndaba yakhe ayikhulumayo, uyasinyela lo muntu lo kahle kahle, usijwaya amasimba. Because thina angeke singadli amakwerekwere, thina singabhibha amakwerekwere abhebhwe uye ayi-1. Yena is the only one who's allowed ukuthi abhebha amakwerekwere la South Africa. Uyasinyela nathi sifuna ukuwabhebha la makwerekwere, ayikho le ndaba yakhe. That's why mina never in my life will I follow someone like this guy. I knew it from get go ukuthi le nto le nje idlala ngabantu, uyenza le nto le because uthola imali. Bona babhizi mabamatsha bathola ama-million, nina nibhizi nibalandele ngemuva. Hey mabahambe mawuhambe uye endlini, awunakudla endlini, awunamsebenzi, you don't have anything, yena uthola imillion iklokile lapha e-accountini yakhe, azokwenza ngathi yena is poor like you. But bathola ama-funding amanye heavy labantu laba. Ngapha ubhizi ubhebhana namakwerekwere. Thina akumelanga ukuthi siwabhebhe lamakwerekwere. We must not sleep with the, and phela bathi amnandi amakwerekwere. So thina awufuni ukuthi thina siwazi lamakwerekwere. Phakela umthakathi wesinyela, like uyasinyela lo muntu lo, serious. So nina niyamlandela ngemuva nangu umuntu, you are following him. Babahambe mabahambe kumele ahambe nabo naye lentshebe embuzi sende bho
phela Mthakathi ayeke lento yenzayo mfana borade eNatal mawukhipha ishangano ufaka isihlahla leyo kuyijokes behlekisa nje asikho busy kakhulu ngeNatal but ngapha eGauteng la khona kwenziwa khona imali mfana la uyasiwemosha la ngapha siwemosha ngapha noma ingasebenza wephela Mthakathi iyosebenza kuma lokishi lamancane ne abothembisa Soweto Alexandri andana ngeke kusebenza leyo nto yenzayo into engizokutshela yona indlela zokwenza imali engizaziyo mina izimbili nje kuphela cha ukuyitshontsha or uyisebenza leyo ukuthi uyovela nje ugovernment akupha i5 million wena uyomipota gate amfana hayi leyo ugcina kumaphupheni wakho le ngeke yenzeka khohlwa le so mina mfowethu ngiyakufollowa ngikukhonze kakhulu ngendlela wena eyenza ngayo izinto sinukufana nomngameli wase-America Donald Trump awucabangi uyayenza kuphela sama foreigners amfana senisichaphaze kakhulu yabona sekufike la khona esingasanandaba khona nistraine kwenze kwanela mfana hayi kwamanje mfana hayi thela wayeka mfana hayi la kubona yekele into yenza ngeke sakusebenzela mfana into ngayisho futhi bona thina futhi baseMozambique mfana mfana sesithukuthele kakhulu bheke lento izoyenzeka nge4 eMoza bheke lento izoyenzeka nge4 ngiyoba ngihamba phambili ngiyoba yileader uyabona wena usacela ugovernment akunikeza 5 million no mina angeke so ngicela 5 million ngiyoyikhipha ngiyoba yileader ngihamba phambili bheke nge4 mfana hayi mfana hayi zakhala mfana abona into yenzile mfana ngawubuza uTrump ukuthi wenzekeleni le mpi yakhe le mfana uyithathe kancane nawe lento uyithatha kancane mfana angeke kulunge mfana wagcina ngalo yayakalo awuzinofobe hayi manje mfana hayi manje sigijima ngomunye unyawo manje mfana angeke kulunge mfana ayeke ntwana ayeke mfana ayeke impela andifuna ukusho okuningi mfana ayeke phela Mthakathi yeke.
Yeah, guys, and it is going down. You know what, ne? It seems like when things are about to work out, these much leaders get to be exposed. I really don't know what's going on. It started with uJacinta and now it's Uphakela Mthakathi, guys. He have been exposed. And yes, I saw the post myself. This other lady goes by the name of Bekezela Dube. Yes, she posted obviously wishing him a happy birthday and they were together. I even went to a TikTok account. Guess what? Uphakela Mthakathi is there. And on a Facebook account, she wrote there which she comes from Zim and and I was like, what is the meaning of this? What's going on? Now I heard Uguti she have deleted the post. Obviously, maybe Uphakela has told you to say, hey, please delete those things, you will get me in trouble. But unfortunately, it was too late because so many people have seen the post and so many people have got so many questions Uguti, what's going on. I know that Zulu people will come forward and defend Uphakela. That one I know. The very same way they did with uJacinta, they will still come back and defend him. Even though the proof is there, even though like everything is just in an open space to say this guy is dating a Zimbabwean lady, but he is out there leading people, telling people that nope, if you are dating a foreigner, you have to live with a foreign partner. You have to live. And here he is, like guys, I don't know, South Africans, wake up. Wake up. That's all I can say at this point. Just wake up, because whatever that we are following, again, we don't have a full knowledge of whatever that is happening. Because what do you mean that these people, now I thought he hate foreigners, like he hate foreigners, like he will never date a foreigner, only for him to be dating a Zimbabwean lady. And at this point, I'm sitting here asking myself, or how does this lady feel when she sees a boyfriend or her husband, I don't know if they are married, marching out there and beating up foreigners? How does she feel? It's really bad, guys. But anyway, comment your thoughts down below in the comment section.